In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Word document. Sharing a Microsoft Word document makes it easy to send your work to other people or collaborate with them on the same file. Instead of creating multiple copies and sending them back and forth, you can share the document and control whether other people can edit it or only view it. To get started, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to share. Before sharing, make sure you have the correct document open and that your latest changes are saved. Once the document is open, look at the upper right corner of the Word window and select the Share button. Word will open the sharing options for your document. If the document isn't already saved in OneDrive, Word may ask you to save it there before you can share it. This is because Word's sharing and collaboration features use cloud storage to give other people access to the same document. After the document is ready to share, enter the name or email address of the person you want to give access to. You can add multiple people if necessary. Next, review the permission settings. Depending on your Word version and sharing options, you may be able to choose whether recipients can edit the document or only view it. If you want someone to make changes, allow editing. If you only want them to read the document, choose the viewing option instead. You can also add a message to the sharing invitation. This can be useful when you want to explain what the document contains or tell the recipient what you would like them to review. After checking the recipients and permissions, select Send. The selected people will receive an invitation that allows them to access the document according to the permissions you chose. Another option is to share the document using a link. Select Share and look for the option to copy the link. Before copying it, review the link permissions to make sure the intended people will have the correct level of access. Then copy the link and share it through your preferred method. When someone has editing permission, you can collaborate on the same document. Their changes can appear in the shared file, allowing everyone with access to work from the same version instead of maintaining separate copies. Remember to check your sharing permissions carefully before sending the document. This helps ensure that recipients can only perform the actions you intend to allow. That's how you can quickly share a Microsoft Word document and collaborate with others using Word's built-in sharing features. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,